Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. In this video, I talk about everything I ate this week. I had a pretty good week, I think. I think I stayed pretty much in check with all my macros this week, so I'm pretty proud of myself. Had a great weigh-in, as you well know, and so I'm excited to show you guys what I ate to lose fat on a ketogenic lifestyle. So the way I do keto is a little different than some of the other people here on YouTube. I do a higher protein, lower fat version of keto that is set to help me maintain my lean muscle mass while losing as much body fat as I possibly can. So I hope you get some ideas from this week of eating, and I'm glad for you to stop by and support this channel. I really appreciate you guys, and we'll see you at the end of the video. It is super, super hot today. Oh my gosh, Phineas, do you think you got enough ice cream there, man? I am gonna eat my first whatever today, and I'm gonna have this. There, can you see it? It's almost ice cream, right? Alright everyone, I finally made it home. I am absolutely exhausted, and this is gonna be my last meal of the day. Chef Dave made this for me and it looks so good. So he made 3 medium chicken legs with some Frank's Red Hot and yogurt blue cheese dressing, and a cup of, it's kind of like a cauliflower, I don't know what he called it, fried rice blend, I guess, with broccoli and a little bit of carrot. And he made some gravy out of broth, like bouillon and xanthan gum. And then I am going to go ahead and have one of these keto cake, Utah keto cakes, peanut butter and jelly fat bomb cupcakes. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Thursday and I am heading out to go shopping. I am going clothes shopping because my clothes are starting to get too big again. And here is going to be my first meal of the day. It is 2 o'clock. I was sitting there editing videos today and I thought, oh my gosh, I am starving. Why am I starving? And I realized it was 2 o'clock and I hadn't even had any Soleil water. So I quickly took some Soleil water and went downstairs to make my food, and I'm kind of in a hurry to get out the door, so I decided not to do yogurt today. I'm just going to have a protein shake to round off the protein in my breakfast. And this is basically 40 grams of center cut bacon, 1 ounce of provolone cheese, 1 egg, the Premier Protein Shake, and of course some caffeine to get me going. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alright, I finally got dinner done, and this is what I decided to make. I made that hamburger gravy that basically is made with 8 ounces of ground beef, about a cup of water, some xanthan gum, about a teaspoon of xanthan gum, and some bouillon powder. And I also am going to have, with that, cauliflower rice underneath, about a cup, and 1 ounce of cheddar cheese, and 1/6 of a cup of green peas. It ends up being about 5 carbs for this dinner. And then I am going to have a sugar-free strawberry jello snack and a Coke Zero, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. Good afternoon everyone, it is Friday, it's 12:45 and I am having my first meal of the day. I am having leftovers from last night, so about 200 grams of my recipe for the hamburger gravy, 1 ounce of this shredded cheddar jack cheese, 100 grams of cauliflower rice, and 2 fried eggs, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alright everyone, tonight I am having some marinara chicken. So basically I just have 6 ounces of chicken breast, 2 ounces of provolone cheese, a half a cup of Rau's marinara, and let's see, I think it's 200 grams. 200 grams of zucchini, which is about a cup and a half of zucchini noodles. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. It's Saturday, everybody! Good morning! And I'm having my typical breakfast, 40 grams of center cut bacon, an ounce of provolone cheese, 2 fried eggs, and a cup of Greek yogurt, 0% fat, sweetened with orange vanilla mio. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Happy Saturday night! I decided to take a page from Keto Fat Girl No More, Teresa's book, and have me a skillet pizza. It just looks so good on her channel. I decided I would have that. So I've got 2 ounces of basically a pepper jack cheese that we use for the crust, and some seasonings, 10 grams of onions. There's 100 grams total of tomato on both the salad and the pizza together, and then 5 ounces of chicken breast, some on the salad, some on the pizza, a little cilantro lime dressing, about 2 tablespoons, and on here 2 tablespoons of ragu alfredo sauce. So that is going to be my last meal of the day. Happy Sunday! It's my anniversary, and it's my 18-month ketoversary, and this is going to be my first meal of the day. I'm keeping it small because we're going out for dinner tonight, and I have no idea how much food I'm going to end up eating. So I decided I would just stick to something a little lowish in fat and a little higher in protein. So here I have 2 ounces of part skim mozzarella cheese that we made up into kind of like a skillet pizza, and 4 ounces of chicken breast, 50 grams of tomato, and a little Parmesan cheese on top. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. We are splitting the balsamic tomato mozzarella salad. So they put it on 2 separate plates for us, even though we only ordered 1. It's kind of fun. We have flower petals on the table. And we got the stuffed mushrooms with crab and cheese. I got a 16-ounce ribeye. It's got butter and herbs on it on a sizzling plate. And we got asparagus and hollandaise to share. And Dave got the 22-ounce. I don't think I'm going to eat all this steak, but I might try. So we have our 2 Keto Cake Utah cupcakes that we are going to try. We're doing the chocolate mousse and the citrus Mountain Dew, and we're just going to kind of split them and share them. So I think we're going to start with the citrus Mountain Dew, but we're going to nicely feed it to each other because I left the baby wipes in the car. We can do it! Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's really no different than any other chocolate cupcake I've ever had. Except it's a guilt-free chocolate.
Now, I've been keto 18 months. I'm not in maintenance. I'm having a high-fat day today. My fat is going to be killer high. I guessed on my macros, but I'm thinking I probably hit 160 protein at least, like that steak. Oh! Good morning, everyone. It is Monday. All of a sudden, I couldn't remember what day it was. It's my daughter's 8th birthday today, and I'm just getting started on my first meal of the day. It's about noon. I'm going to be heading out here to get some more things for her party. Party's going to be in a couple of hours. Anyway, I'm having my typical breakfast. 44 grams of center cut bacon, 2 fried eggs, 1 ounce of Gouda cheese, and a cup of Greek yogurt, 0% Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla mio. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Hello everyone, it is Monday night, and looks like Chef Dave is waxing nostalgic for Cruz Chris restaurant like last night. So he actually made us New York strip steak. This is 14-ounce bone-in, so probably about 12 ounces of steak, with about 200 grams of cauliflower mix, the kind that ham-fried rice mix, with a little bit of gravy that I made with bouillon and xanthan gum. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Happy Tuesday, everyone! Getting ready for the live chat, and this is going to be my first meal of the day. It is my typical breakfast: 44 grams of center cut bacon, 2 fried eggs, 1 ounce of Gouda cheese, and a cup of Greek yogurt, 0% Greek yogurt with orange vanilla mio. Sorry, Chef Dave just dropped his sugar-free Jell-O on the floor, and everybody is sad for him. Hello everyone, we just got home from our parade that we went to tonight, and it's pretty dang late at night. I don't even know what time it is. That parade was the longest in history. I think it was like over 2 hours long. It was insane. Anyway, I think it's after 10. I don't even know what time it is, but it's late. And so I'm having my comfort food, zoodles with provolone cheese and chicken. And I have 6 ounces of chicken breast, 2 ounces of provolone cheese, a half a cup of ragu Alfredo sauce, and 200 grams of zucchini. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Well, there you have it. Everything I ate this week to lose weight on a ketogenic way of eating. I hope that this video helped you guys out and you have some ideas for going forward in the future. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so that we can keep in touch with each other and we can help each other with our before and after transformations. I've lost 177 pounds so far eating ketogenically in the last 18 months. So I hope that you guys will stick around and we can be friends and you guys can learn a lot of things from how I do things and you can share me how you do things and we can lose weight together. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.